Today we're going to learn how to braid. I'm using my yardstick and I'm going to measure out 3 different colors of yarn. I chose black, white, and purple. My other supplies are a clipboard and a ring. For a basic weave, you start with 3 colors. So I have my 3 colors of yarn cut and measured, and I'm going to use a ring today. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my first color and I'm going to fold it in half. So I'm just going to take the 2 ends and pull it tight so that I have a nice even piece of string, fold it in half, and I have a loop. This is called a lark's head knot. So here's my ring. I put my loop of yarn through the ring. I'm gonna let it kind of hang down. I'm gonna take my fingers and put them through the loop. Grab those 2 strings, pull them through. And there's my lark's head knot. So now I have one of my colors. I'll do my next one. And I'm gonna take the ends, line them up, so now it's folded in half nicely. Put my ring in one hand, put the loop through the ring, let it kind of hang down. Take my fingers, put them through the loop, grab those 2 strings, pull it through, and now I have 2. Last one. Take my purple, line up my ends, fold it in half, got my loop, put the loop through the ring, let it hang down, put my fingers through the loop, and pull my strings. And I'm going to do my braid, has 3 strands. Each of these is going to count as 1. So I have 1, 2, 3. I find it's easier to braid if this is kind of held in place somewhere so you can kind of pull against it. So I'm going to use a clipboard, put my ring in my clipboard, and there are my 3 strands for my braid. Now what's going to happen, I tend to pick up my right and my left and kind of hold them. Again, this is why I use the clipboard. And I'm just going to start with my right hand and I bring it to the middle. I let go and I pick this up in my right hand. Then I take the left, put it in the middle, pick this up. And what happens is it's a nicer braid if you can kind of keep it tight. So I bring the right and the left, and I kind of snug it. The right into the middle, and now the left into the middle. And you can see I'm starting to get my braid already. So right in the middle, left in the middle, right in the middle, left in the middle. And every now and then I just kind of straighten all the strands out at the bottom. Right in the middle, left in the middle. Right in the middle, left in the middle. Right, left, right, left, right, left. So I'm creating that pattern. Let's slide it up so you can see what I'm doing. So when I have it, my braid long enough, I like it. Right now I still have a good bit of yarn down here. But if I'm ready to stop, I take all of the strands, I make a loop, I reach through the loop to grab all of those and pull them through and tighten it. Then I have a nice big knot. And you have some options too when you have this left over. You could put some beads on there, decorate that and put a knot, or these have several strands so you could kind of unravel these, kind of make it more like a tassel. So you can kind of see there's several strands within each of these pieces of yarn. So you can kind of unravel those. So So there's several options for decorating the end. And then this, at school, we're gonna use book rings so they can split open, so it can be something that you can put on your backpack, or it could be a keychain, or you could use it as a bookmark. So it's just a basic braid that we're using to kind of start textiles with and learn how to braid.